Hey guys, welcome back to Vanya and Anna's channel. It's me, Anna, back with another video. So, today it's gonna be so fun because tomorrow I'm going to Sariska, Rajasthan. So, it's in India, and we are just gonna go tomorrow and come on Monday. It's not that long trip because I have my last exam on Friday, so I have to study, but we're just gonna come on Monday, so it's not that long trip, so we just need one pair of clothes. So, but I always take a carry bag with me that I don't put in the trunk, and I always keep it in my hand in the car in case I got some problem and anything else. So yeah, I always take a bag. But this time, we are one second, guys. So this time we are just going for a really short trip. So I'm gonna show you which bag I'm taking. So this is the bag which I'm gonna keep my clothes in. This is gonna be in the trunk of the car. It's gonna be in the trunk. That this is not my carry bag. Well, it is my carry bag, but for this short trip, it's gonna be my luggage bag. So it's gonna be in the trunk. But the carry bag that I'm taking, that I'm gonna carry in the car with me, is this. So you're gonna say, how are you gonna fit all these things? So I'm gonna fit this polo, my phone, my charger, my earphones, and I'm gonna put these two pockets, and if possible then infinity glue. If not possible then I'm not gonna put. So it's inside. I'm gonna flat it and then put it. Let me see if my earphones come. Well, I actually have an idea. I'm just gonna. So I actually have this little thingy, which has all of this stuff. So this can be hanged, and this one has a hanger thingy on it. So what I'm gonna do is take the hanger thingy, just gonna take it, and ta-da! It's on it. I'm gonna put it inside the bag. Ta-da! Now I have the bag. Like this. So I'm gonna put my polo in this. And can my earphones come in this? Because if it can, then I can put my infinity cube. Hope so. I can fit my infinity cube. I can close it and there's my infinity cube inside. Well, now it's super easy for me. So in this we have the infinity cube and the polo, and in this set we're gonna be having my earphones, my charger, and my poppets and my phone. So let me check if I can fit. Well, I can actually not fit, but let me just try if I can. If I can, then amazing. No, I can't. No, I can't. But this is better. Infinity Cube was taking so much space. Now it will not. So in this we are gonna be having my poppet, my charger, my phone, and my earphones. So it's super easy. So yeah, guys, it was a short video, but I'm just gonna do a part 2 in the morning. In the morning I'm gonna be adding my phone and my earphones and my charger. Then I'm gonna show you. Bye guys.